Mark Twain said the following about statistics. There are three kinds of lies: lies, damn lies, and statistics. Relying on Hamas statistics disregards the famous Mark Twain adage. We will leave aside the fact that some or many of the journalists killed in Gaza were also Hamas operatives. Hostile combatants are legitimate targets, journalists or not. When a so-called reputable university, Brown University, claims more journalists have been killed in Gaza than in other wars, including the combined world wars and more, it is an example of the Mark Twain adage. It is also a reflection of how once prestigious universities have been bought out by Qatar and other oil-rich nations with an agenda. When Hitler and company murdered millions of Jews and those he considered inferior human beings or hostile to his demonic ideology, thousands upon thousands of journalists and also authors were murdered in the mass extermination. Brown University conveniently ignores this fact because it does not suit their propaganda narrative. There are many wars occurring right now across the planet. There is a reason more journalists have been killed in Gaza than in any of the other ongoing wars. Millions of people have been killed, including millions of children killed or starved in the ongoing wars and conflicts in the Congo region, in Sudan, in Yemen, Syria, Somalia, Mali, North Nigeria, Burkina Faso, Myanmar, Ethiopia, Ukraine, Haiti, South Thailand, parts of Mindanao, Mozambique, and elsewhere with little to no media or journalist coverage. Millions of lives are at risk in Sudan alone from war and famine, and it is unlikely there is even a single journalist covering the vicious war and genocide that is affecting the lives not of a few million, but of tens of millions. The media and journalists are selective as to what wars they cover. Many do not want to expose themselves to the harsh and dangerous conditions that exist in a place like the Sudan. Many do not want to be in a place where there are no amenities, including first-class hotels. Many do not cover conflicts that do not fit into their political or religious narratives as to who can be blamed. Many journalists are no different than the general public. Children and human life have no value if there are no Jews or Israel to blame. While the whole world focuses on Gaza and continues to ignore the wars, extreme poverty and famines affecting hundreds of millions of people, rest assured, journalists will continue to provide no coverage, and neither will the universities concerned with propaganda instead of humanity.